In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Mailchimp. To get started, log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and select Campaigns. From there, open the email campaign you want to work on. After the campaign loads, click Edit Design to open the email builder. This is where you will be able to customize the layout of your email and add different types of content blocks. Once you are in the drag and drop builder, take a moment to look at the side panel where all the available content blocks are listed. What you want to find here is the video block. This block is specifically designed to let you add a clickable video preview inside your email, which is a great way to make your campaign more engaging without needing to embed a video file directly. When you find the video block, click on it and drag it into the spot in your email layout where you want the video to appear. You can place it between text sections under an image or wherever it fits best within your design. Try to position it somewhere visible so readers can easily notice it when they open the email. Next, open YouTube in another tab and go to the video you want to use. Once the video is open, click the share button and copy the video's URL. Make sure you copy the correct link so Mailchimp can recognize and generate the preview properly. Now head back to Mailchimp. In the settings for the video block, you will see a field labeled Video URL or Source. Paste your YouTube link into that field. As soon as you do, Mailchimp will automatically pull in the video thumbnail and place a play button overlay on top of it. This gives your subscribers a clear visual cue that the image links to a video. If you'd like, you can also add a caption to provide a little more context about the video. This can be useful if you want to encourage clicks or explain what viewers will see when they open it. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to lock in the changes. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.